guys, Nielsen here with Nielsen's Painting and Remodeling, and today I want to talk a little bit about why is it so important to keep a good relationship with your contractor. Not only we want to come back and be your advocate and be your to-go source when you need another remodel, but we also want to make sure that we keep all your files and everything on record. So when you're coming back and you're like, hey Nielsen, what's the color of my cabinets? What was the color of my the top of countertop? The type of this or that? We have all that saved on your file with all your information and when we did the project. And you're probably like, why is this important? Well, it turns out that it's very, very important. We are at a house that we remodeled back in July of 2019. We started this remodel. We tore out the whole kitchen apart, move a few walls. It was a very big project back in 2019. We remodeled this whole thing, moved out like several walls, we finished the entire floor, and then guess what? Come freeze of 2021, and here we are again. So the important thing of this, the point I'm trying to make is we had everything on record, the paint we used, the type of cabinets, we still have a good relationship with our cabinet maker, drywallers. Everybody that was here in 2019 is now part of the team in 2021 for the rebuild of this house. But not only that, when insurance comes back and says, hey, you only have this amount of countertops and this is the amount I'm gonna give you, well, guess what? I have in my record and my files how much we pay for those slabs, and now we can get back to insurance and say, hey, you're not giving me enough money. This is how much the actual slab cost, and you're short X amount of dollars. So if you're looking for that type of relationship with your contractor, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to stop by your house and give you a free estimate so we can get working on any type of project. Nielsen with Nielsen's Painting and Remodeling, with quality is not cheap nor expensive. It is priceless.